We're continuing our look at the International Builder Show, and so far we've seen some really cool new products. Now, speaking of cool, these shingles from Owens Corning use a new granule technology that reflects solar energy to reduce a roof's temperature by up to 10 degrees. Synthetic slate roofing is also very popular here at the show, and this one, Bella Forte from Da Vinci Roofscapes, is also very efficient. Its self-aligning design requires a third less material and speeds up installation, reducing time, weight, and labor cost. For a truly unique look, check out this timber-clad poplar bark siding. It's durable, low maintenance, and I'll bet no one on your street has this yet. I also found a great new drop ceiling called the zip-up ceiling. It can be installed or removed as many times as you need, so you'll have plenty of access to plumbing or wiring for basement renovations. And you were saying because it's impervious to any type of moisture, if there was a little bit of moisture for some reason, no problem.
No, it won't stain, and it's mold colored all the way through. You can power wash this and not transfer water to the other side. Same way if these were to condensate and fall on it, no molds, no mildews. Yeah.